Well, I guess it's time for a little update on the Puma Evolution build. Got the right wing up, ready to be assembled, and everything adjusted, control cables, alignment, struts. I got the top done on the left wing, finishing up on the bottom, and then I gotta find a good warm day I can get this out of here and set it up outside and do all the alignment and adjustments and everything. Be glad to do that. This will be the end of the build, the wood part, which is my favorite part. I got to get rid of this table. I got to make me a kind of a paint booth in here later, but I'm going to keep 8 feet on rollers where I can move it around and I can get the fuselage in and out, which it's pretty much stuck where it's at right now. But just adding the rib cap strips. Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for. So it don't like much. I got the spoilers. Everything's all hooked up and checked. The cables, you know, I found these neat little clips here that use 2 swages inside there. Oh, I'm sorry, this is the screw that goes into the adjuster turnbuckle. Then it just slips in the fitting there, and then I got a clip in the other end. And a lock nut on that end so it don't go anywhere, and everything's Loctited, of course. The spoiler, its mechanism is right here, and you pull the cable from inside and pushes the spoiler up, spins around, goes back up. You can see how it works there. And that's about it on the wings. Let's see, the other one up here has got the push rod hooked up, and I've already checked pretty much operation of the aileron. You can see the little clips that I was talking about now that's got the little swages on there. So I put 2 on just for safety. But there's no big stress or pull on that you know, a man's arm can't do. So anyway, getting there, won't be long. I'll be putting this thing together outside and checking the alignments, and struts are setting up there. I got one end all ready to go, and then when I get the measurements and everything, I'll cut the other end. Anyway, I showed you my shop before, but just simple little tools. I've had these tools for probably 40-50 years. A little old cheap bandsaw, a little sander. I make my props on this sander. My dad gave me that probably 50 years ago. A little drill. You hook a drill up to it, and you got a belt sander. But I put this little motor on it, and then a little bench drill press, and then another tall drill press. Got that at the junkyard for 20 bucks. Had to put a new motor on it, 50 bucks. And a little lathe over there hid. And my radial arm saw I've had about 35 years. I don't think they even make them anymore. It can be dangerous. But I've got a cabinet maker's blade on there. And that's how I produced all this wood. It cuts it just like factory. And then it helps to have wherever it is down here, a planer to make everything. One thing I learned, I didn't do this starting out, but every piece of wood you make that's gonna be glued next to another piece of wood, they all gotta be the exact same size. Because if it's off a 1/2 millimeter, that throws your glue joint off. It don't line up. I mean, so, you know, everything is 4 millimeter. It needs to be run through the planer, 4 millimeter. Sorry about that. I'm not too good at this. But anyway, that's where we're at right now. And I'll talk to you later, probably when I get ready to hook all this stuff up. Thanks a lot. Bye.